So here in this video I'm just going to explain you how to pass the default arguments to the function. So it means to say that sometimes a function required a argument to be passed to that to get it executed. So how to set the default value for that argument if we don't pass any value, not any of the value to that function. So in order to do that, I'm just going to create here a PHP script. So I have already created a file with the name of function default.php, and here we have to start writing the code for this, and here it is, and here it is the closing tag of the PHP, and here I'm going to create a function. Say function keyword is used for this, and to this I'm using a function name as a set value. I have given the name to the function, then here I have to use the parenthesis, and we have to write the body of the function within these curly brackets, and here I have to set the argument list for this function. So what I'm doing, I'm declaring here a variable, say variable x. So in order to declare the variable, we have first to declare the type of the variable, that is integer, and the variable name is x, and to this I am assigning a value of 10. This is what called I have assigned the value, that is default value, to this variable x this time. And here in the code I'm just going to write echo, and here I'm just displaying the value is equal to, say, and here we have to give the reference of the variable x, and I just wanted to display the result in every new line, so I'm using break element here. So this is done, the declaration of the function, and we have set the default value for this function, that is default value of the variable x is equal to 10. So how to use this function? We have to, in order to use this function, we have to call this function. So we have on the in order to call this function, I have to give the name of the function, and here I'm passing the value, say 89 this time, and I'm again calling the same function, and this time I'm passing the value as say 75, and again I'm calling this function set value, and this time I'm not passing any value to this, and again I'm calling this same function, and this time I'm passing the value, say 101. So save your changes, just press Ctrl+S and move back to your PHP directory, and here you see function default, where it is function strict, and here it is called function. We didn't find this, so refresh this, and here we find this function default.php. Just click on this file, and here we got the result. So what we have done, first time we have passed the argument as 89, so the value of x is set equal to 89, and result is displayed over here as 89. Second time we have passed the argument as 75, and the value is of x set equal to 75. Third time we didn't pass any value to this, so mean to say that this time it is considered to be as the default value, that is 10. So that's why 10 is displayed over here, and fourth time we have called the function and we have passed the argument and the values of type integer, and this is set here as 101 is displayed here. So this is how we can set the default value to the function and how to use that default value. So default value means to say that if sometime it doesn't pass the argument, look at this, if it doesn't pass the argument to the function, it will display its default value. So this is how we can use the default value in the function. So that's all for now, and in the next case we will come with the return statement in the